Are you looking to create eye-catching videos without spending hours editing? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI video generator to make content that truly stands out. First, start with Magic Write, Canva's AI script generator. Just type in your topic or idea and it will instantly create a ready-to-use script, saving you tons of time brainstorming. You can tweak it to match your style, but it gives you a solid foundation to start your video. Next, bring your script to life with Magic Design. This feature automatically builds a storyboard for your content, suggesting layouts, visuals, and scene transitions. It's
Are
like
you
having a
looking to
creative
create
assistant who
eye-catching
knows
videos
exactly how to
without
structure
spending
your
hours
video
editing?
for maximum engagement. Once your storyboard is ready, you can generate visuals or video clips directly in Canva. Whether it's animations, stock footage, or AI-generated imagery, you can add dynamic elements that make your video visually captivating. The best part? Canva handles the editing too. The AI trims, arranges, and organizes your clips on the timeline so everything flows smoothly without you spending hours in the editor. You can even adjust scenes or add your own personal touch if you want. In just a few clicks, you've gone from an idea to a polished, professional-looking video that's ready to share. With Canva's AI video generator, creating engaging content has never been this fast and fun. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this tool can completely transform the way you make videos. Give it a try and see how easy it is to bring your ideas to life.